Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error Minecraft was closed due to a memory allocation in TLauncher. Chapter 1. Fix error Minecraft was closed due to a memory allocation in TLauncher deleting older version. To begin, you are going to right-click on the shortcut and click on Open File Location. Here, open the Versions folder. After this, delete all older versions of the TLauncher. Open TLauncher. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now click on Enter the game, wait that game it's loading. Chapter 2. Minecraft was closed due to a memory allocation in TLauncher adjusting memory. To start, open the TLauncher, wait for it to load. Here, click on the gear icon. Now click on Settings. You're going to locate the section Memory Allocation. It is necessary to know the current memory of the system. To this, click on Start and click on Settings. Here, go to System and click on About. Check the installed RAM. Now on Memory Allocation section, use the slide to set the new value. Click on Save to apply changes. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.